Students, today we are gonna learn color name. Let's start. R-E-D, red. Blood is red. B-L-U-E, blue. Sky is blue. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Banana is yellow. G-R-E-E-N, green. Cactus is green. S-I-L-V-E-R, silver. Utensils are silver. P-I-N-K, pink. Pig is pink. M-A-G-E-N-T-A, magenta. Pillow is magenta. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Eggplant is purple. B-L-A-C-K, black. Crow is black. T-E-A-L, teal. Peacock leaves the teal. C-Y-A-N, cyan. Ice cream is cyan. O-L-I-V-E, olive. Olive is olive. M-A-R-O-O-N, maroon. Beetroot is maroon. V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. Fig is violet. T-A-N, tan. Acorn is tan. I-N-D-I-G-O, indigo. Carpet is indigo. G-R-E-Y, grey. Rhinoceros is grey. G-O-L-D-E-N, golden. Gold bar is golden. Now let's ask you some questions. Let's start. What is the king of colors? What is the color of sky? Is grass blue? What is the color of cap? Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.